Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their Samsung Galaxy to mobile data? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Swipe down. Swipe down from the top of your Samsung Galaxy A26 5G screen to open the quick panel. Step 2. Locate toggle. Look for the mobile data toggle in the quick panel options. Step 3. Check symbol. Ensure you can see the mobile data symbol. Tap on it if it's not already enabled. Step 4. Confirm activation. Confirm the mobile data is active by checking for the data signal icon in the status bar. Step 5. Access internet. Now you can access the internet using your mobile data connection instead of Wi-Fi. By following these steps, you're all set to surf the internet using mobile data. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.